kids. So, we're back with another episode of VM installation. I almost said VM upgrade. But yeah, this is episode 29, and this is going to be the last installation on the poll. So, back in September of 2024, I ran this poll, and Ubuntu 4.10 actually got the lowest amount of votes. So, yeah, I'm saving this for last, and I will do another poll right after this episode is released, or probably before the episode is released. I don't know, but yeah. Anyways, we're gonna do Ubuntu 4.10, the very first version, Warty Warthog. It has been a while since we have done an Ubuntu or even a Linux thing in general. Oh no, my wireless. So the last one we covered was Ubuntu 12.04 Precise Pangolin. We covered that. I covered that back in October of 2023. So yeah, about time for an update. So so Ubuntu 4.10 it is. Alright, so I'm gonna make a new virtual machine. Oh my, and holy shit, do I hate this new setup design. I honestly wish I could change it back to the regular one, with all the wizards and stuff. Ubuntu 64-bit. Let's make it 32-bit. Hardware. Yeah, I guess I'll do. And finish. Settings. Why do we even have basic and expert settings? We can just there's a bunch of pointless shit. Alright, so let's just boot it up, and there you go. You get that beautiful Debian installer. This was very early Ubuntu. Alright, English. United States. I don't live in the US, but I'll select it anyway. American English. Enter the hosting for the system. Well, it's not going to be VBox. It is going to be VMI.29. And detecting disk and all hardware. Partition disks. Okay, I remember this one. It doesn't support I think we have to change the disk type. So storage. Yeah, it has SATA by default, which is kind of stupid. Remove controller, and then add the hard disk. So yeah, it should be IDE. Hopefully it doesn't freak out that I reset the thing. Yeah, let's just make it VMI.29, VM installation, episode 29. Erase entire disk. Yes. Welcome to your new Ubuntu system. Why, thank you. That's very nice of you. Time zone. Let's go with Atlantic. Find it. Other. Okay. User account will be created for you to use. Enter full name for the new user. TWF. 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 Password's totally not Ubuntu. No, don't download stuff on the internet. It's probably not the servers are probably not up anymore. Alright, now it's just gonna do a bunch of stuff here. The X over to use. I mean, that really doesn't matter. Let's just try and select all of them. Okay. I was just gonna set up the rest of the system. Setup of your Ubuntu system is now complete. You may log in now. That's great. Oh, Jesus Christ. That is big. That is big. Let's just scale back to 100. Oh boy. Okay, so we have a full screen interface. Yeah, that is a big resolution. Big, huh? And also, I forgot to remind you. Always remember to set this to PS. So, like, remember to set this, like, the input thing. So you're gonna go general, okay, system, point device. Make sure to set this to PS2 mouse if you're installing, like, early Ubuntu systems, because then your mouse inputs will be really off. This is quite a big screen, isn't it? 1400 by 1050. Keep it. It looks nice. So yeah, this is Ubuntu 4.10, and look at all these super awesome programs we have installed. So, thank you all for watching VM Installation episode 29, and I'll see you next time. Bye!